Hey all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm unboxing and sharing my first Stitch Fix styling service. Yay! As well as trying on what they sent to see how I like it and how it fits and everything. I decided to try this service out to not only just see how I like it, but also to kind of see how it compares to the Nadine West monthly fashion subscription that I've been getting. Just to kind of see what's out there and, you know, try some new stuff. With Stitch Fix, once you've created your account and then also done your styling profile or style profile with them, you're going to want, or they're going to ask you to choose a date to receive your Stitch Fix. Then a personal stylist will select and ship 5 items for you to try on at home. After 3 days, return anything that you don't want. A $20 styling fee is charged upon the shipping of your Stitch Fix. It does get applied as a credit to any items that you keep. Shipping is free, and plus if you keep all the items that they send you, you get another 25% off the total price, which is really cool. Okay, now let's have a peek at my first fix. Oh neat. The box has little instructions on it. That's a good idea. This looks like it's like a little a thing showing you what they sent. Look at that more in a minute. There's an envelope here. Oh, with instructions. Oh, and then okay, cool, like a packing slip. And then this is for anything that might want to be returned or well, actually, or just returned, not kept. Okay, let's see that here. Oh, neato. It's a purse. Let's see. I like accessories. Oh, and this is actually a purse style I've been looking for too. So it's cool because it's this like flips over right here, and then it unzips at the top, so it's like a lot bigger than it looks. Oh, cool! It's got like little different compartments and stuff in there. Anyhow, it's got like a zipper on here. Oh, let's see what else is in this fix. Okay, so these are some pants, it looks like legging-ish pants, like stretchy, like working out, or maybe it can be for working out or just hanging out. But oh, that's cool. They have little I guess you'll see them more when I try them on, but the sides have these little cutouts here on the bottom. So we'll try these on shortly with everything else. And oh, more pants. Oh, these are interesting. They're like a stretchy kind of a jean. Oh, I like the front. It's got like that moto kind of, or like where it's got like a gathering kind of to toughen the knees up, but I like it. And I don't have a lot of green. I kind of needed some green too. Okay, and then a shirt. So obviously this one must be to kind of go with the green pants, but I don't know, I kind of like this too. We'll see, it's soft. Because sometimes baggier shirts, I have to just see how they fit. But it looks like it ties here at the bottom as well. So, okay. Next item. Ooh, it's soft. It's a winter thing also. That's a little, no, it's not a hoodie. It's a, what do you call it? A cowl neck or something. Yeah. Or is it right? Yeah, cowl neck, whatever. So it's very lightweight though. But it's a super lightweight little like kind of sweater, knit sweater thing. So, okay, we'll try this one on as well. It's like 2 outfits. So, okay, I will be right back. I'm gonna go put the first outfit on.
So I will. So close your eyes and set it free. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. When the love is all around, dream away with the music. Dream away with the music.
Alright, so yeah, I decided I'm gonna keep the green top and the purse, because I did like the purse. So I have a lot of pants, and I kind of was still like not really, I don't know, I was like not real sure about the flower pattern for the moto pant ones, and the black ones. Again, really cute, but I have a lot of black leggings that are very similar already. And same with the top, but I didn't have a olive green, or like this kind of like a nice olive or forest green, whatever, top, which I was needing because I actually have these really cute shoes that'll go perfect with it. And the purse, I actually have been honestly looking for purse like this style of one just recently. So if you're interested and want to try Stitch Fix, I placed a referral link in the video's description. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up button, and while you're over there, if you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing for more unboxing, reviews, fashion, and DIY videos. Oh, and while you're there, click the little bell button next to it so you won't miss out when I post new videos. So, have you tried Stitch Fix? Let me know in the comments about your experience. Well, thanks everyone for watching again. You guys rock, and I will see you next video. Alright.